Welcome back, friends, and today we have a Kershaw blade. It's called the Kershaw Launch 4. So the overall length is 5.1 inch. Fires hard. The blade length is 1.9, which makes it California legal, because you can have you can carry an automatic knife as long as it's under 2 inches. So that's why this blade, this particular model is called the California legal. Blade thickness is 0.12 inch. The blade steel is CPM 154. It's a drop point style shape blade, drop point, and it's got this black coating here to help prevent from rust and glare, so it doesn't shine or reflect. It's a plain edge. The handle length is 3.2 inch, and it weighs 1.9 ounces, right under 2 ounces. It's a right hand carry, but you could carry it left hand if you wanted to, but you would just have to use your index finger here to activate it. It's a push button automatic, so press this and it locks the blade, and to release the blade you press the same button here and just fold it up. The spring is pretty stiff, so that means it's got a lot of energy built up, so when you're ready to deploy it, it fires fast. So it's just the pocket clip is just for the like I say, right hand, and you can take the screws off, but there's no place to put it here. The pocket clip, you can see, is almost as big as the handle of the blade. Made in the USA. Nice color contrast with the black, with this deep, very deep purple. It's a beautiful purple color here. We call it the plunge lock. So this is, again, to fire, and then it locks. Reasonably sharp, not too bad on the sharpness. I really like this purple. It's a really nice color. pretty concealable. It's just enough blade here to get most of your chores done. Wouldn't be a bad little blade for your kid's first knife, but they may have a little trouble actually to close the blade up without cutting themselves, but you learn quick. Maybe a different blade or a different knife would be better for them. But this, I certainly would have gladly accept this when I was a kid, to carry this. The button lock, where the button lock, where the activator button is pretty stiff. I don't see it ever going on, deploying the blade in your pocket. You can see a little bit of it protruding out, but you'd have to intentionally press the button to deploy it. So let's see if I can. Not much. Pretty simple construction. Giant pivot screw here and 2 screws holding the back end of the handles. Nice little blade, just to, if you're wearing shorts and don't want a knife that weighs you down, this would be perfect just to throw in pocket. The Kershaw Launch 4 California legal blade. And there you have it, friends. Until next time, have a great day.